Hey planner friends, how's it going? Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. My name is Ryan and this is A Man with the Plans. And we are back in the last month of my Erin Condren, let's flip it over, monthly deluxe here in my budget 2018 notebook. This thing and I have had a good run of almost a full year here, and this page got a little bent, I don't know how, I apologize, but I'm really looking forward to wrapping up this year. We'll do a financial year in review for 2018 sometime in early January, but I figured right now we would do a sort of mid-month update here, especially with the holidays. Today is the 13th, so I'm filming this, but overall, let's go ahead and show you what the month's looking like so far. We've had only 4 no spends for the 13th, so not as good as I'd hoped. But, you know, there's been lots of activity. I did go away for a weekend up north for judging and then staying with some friends. And then obviously trying to get some holiday things done, like Christmas cards and meeting up with friends and other things like that, and getting some things for, I'm hosting a brunch next week for work. So overall, major expenses. I usually break my rent up for the next month into 2 payments, so we usually do one each, and that works itself out. The card, I am in the process of doing the refinancing paperwork so I can get a different car loan that will actually allow me to not have to worry about those automatic payments like I have here. For those of you that don't know, I have a 2016 Subaru Crosstrek, and for some reason I'm enrolled in this auto payment program that deducts twice a month for my one payment, and it doesn't allow me to make extra payments, which makes the Dave Ramsey snowball a little bit trickier. So that is working itself out. I'm hoping to have that all said and done. Oh, this is ripped too. My gosh, this is falling apart. I'm hoping to have this all said and done by next week so that I can go into January with the ability to throw some extra income there. The other thing is that I am planning on purchasing a MacBook for YouTube and for having a new way to edit, because my current iMac isn't doing so well, so I've sort of put a pause, at least for this month, on a super snowball payment. I'm going to use some of the judging money and other things, sort of sort that out for next year so I can get myself a laptop that'll allow me to be able to edit things while I'm traveling or visiting with family and those types of things, so just trying to be honest. But overall, not a lot of expenses. I have eaten out a bit more, so we went to JJ's, and then I went to the Tiny Diner with a friend from work, and we went out to the tavern in Blaine another night, and then I got a coffee at McDonald's. So like, it's all adding up, and I need to sort of rein it in and be better about sort of staying at home. Today, honestly, the biggest expense I had was stamps, because, oh my gosh, I had no idea how expensive these guys cost. And so, hey, this is what you get for Christmas cards though, and I'm super happy, we're almost there. So yeah, as you can see at the bottom here, anytime I got paid for meat, it might not have been that day, I included it at the bottom. So like, I got this meats check this morning, so I just add that down there to keep tabs of where that's going. And so ordinarily that would be used for a snowball payment, but I think this time we're gonna use it to help offset the cost of my new computer. So that is December so far. Just to remember, this is what my budget looks like, and we'll be going ahead and filling these things in as we go, so we'll stay tuned to that for later on. If you have any suggestions for what you do on this page, I'd be really curious, because I've never used it. At some point in the next couple weeks, I will walk through my new budget planner, which I can't seem to find. But it's same thing except with the tabs for next year, so that'll be exciting. Other than that though, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment box down below. Go ahead and click this, the red subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it, and you can see my content. I make new videos every Monday and Thursday. So if you have any other questions for me, go ahead and let me know. Alright, thanks so much. Bye planner friends.